Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to look at question 21 of Paper 1 SPM at Maths 2017. So let's take a look at the question together. Alright, so this is going to be regarding about probability. Alright, so let's go through the question. Alright, a buyer's cube dice is thrown. The probability of getting the number 4 is 1 over 16. And the probabilities of getting other than the number 4 are equal to each other. If the dice is thrown twice, find the probability of getting two different numbers. Give your answer in the simplest fraction form. Alright, so the way you want to answer this is, you want to find the probabilities of the other numbers. Okay, so they told you that to get a number 4, the probability is 1/16, whereas the others is equal to each other. So we want to find what are the probabilities to get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Alright, so we all know that the probabilities of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you add them up, you should get 1. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, you're equal to 1. So for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, let's use the unknown x. After all, they're equal to each other. So we'll have x plus x plus x plus 1 over 16 plus x equal to 1. Then we have 5x plus 1 over 16 equals to 1. Alright, so from here, we calculate everything. Okay, I'm going to skip a step here. So we find that x is equal to 3 over 16. So the probabilities of getting 1, 2, 3, 5, or 6 is 3 over 16. Now, with that said, now let's go to the next part here. So they say that if you throw it twice, what is the probability of getting two different numbers? Alright, so means the probability of getting two different numbers, meaning you have x or y, meaning that they are not the same numbers. So two different numbers. So one way we can actually go around this is to consider the complement version. So instead of looking for the probability of two different numbers, let's look at the probability of the same numbers, because it's easier. See? So we can do it like this. So for same numbers, it will be 1, 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, probability of 1, 1. Probability of 2, 2. Probability of 3 and 3. Probability of 4 and 4. Probability of 5 and 5. And then probability of 6 and 6. So same numbers for both tosses. So here, the probability of getting a 1 is 3 over 16. Okay, right? So, but just now we put it as x. So we use x to make things easier for now. So 3, so if it's getting a 1 and 1, right, it will be probability of x multiplied by x. So if that's the case, we have x squared. Okay, so for probability of 2 is the same. Probability of 3 and 3 is also the same. And then for 4 and 4, it will be 1/16 squared. Okay, to get a probability, to get a 4 is 1 over 16. To get another 4 is also 1 over 16. Then again, x squared and then x squared. So together, there is 5x squared and 1 over 16 squared. So here, we put in the number x. So from here, we can get that the answer is 23 over 128. So this is the probability of getting the two same numbers, which is 23 over 128. So if you want to consider different numbers, all you have to do is to find the complement, which is 1, okay, which is the total probability minus the probability of getting the same numbers. So it will be 1 minus 23 over 128. From here you can get that the answer is 105,128. So that is your answer. So the probability Oh, it's over here. Okay, so the probability of getting two different numbers is 105, 128. So that is the answer. Thank you for watching.